Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change the ringtone of the app called Discord. So let's get into the video. So guys, first you have to download the app called APK Editor. I'll be giving the link in the description below. So open that link, click on download APK. Go down and click again download APK. As you see, it's downloading, and here it comes. I'm actually not downloading it because I've already downloaded it. So after that, go to the open the app, click on select APK from app and select Discord. Just select on simple edit, go to audios. As you see, this is the ringing audio. If you just play this, you can hear it. So if you want to change it, just select on this, go to whichever music you want. So I'm going to say keep one music and just click on save. After it just saved, you have to delete the old APK. So I will be saying you after this interface. So guys, after that you have to get an interface like this. So just close that app, delete the current Discord by uninstalling it, and go back to APK editor and click on install. It's it's taking some time to install. I'll be seeing you after installing it. So it has been installed. Just click on done, just close it like that. Go to Discord, just skip this here. Go to Discord, click on, if you are registered, you have to register, or if you have account, just log in. So let me log in and I'll come back to you. So guys, it is done actually, and you can notice that after ask your friends to call, and you will be seeing that it has been changed. If it's not changed, you can just contact me on my Instagram account if you have any problem. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you. See you in the next